Hey guys, today I'm gonna do this ABIS 34-55. Here's a look at the key bitting. Okay, get it to focus there. There you go. It's a N.Y.C.H.A key retaining. It's also property of N.Y.C.H.A, which I think is the New York City Housing Authority or something. I got this lock from jmmurdy. Thanks again, buddy, for this lock. Took me a while to figure out, but we're gonna try our best today. Angle the camera down just a bit more. I kind of have to use top and bottom tension, just because of some of the pins are really difficult to get to in either configuration. So we're gonna try to get ourselves a false set here. Oh, and I'm using a Peterson 15 thousandths hook, so we can get in there and get around that warding. Let's see how long this thing is going to take today. Usually set the back two, and then I can move to the other tension wrench. Doesn't like to play. Oh, there it is. Okay, great. Got a false set, so you can see the core has turned just a slight amount. It's normally oriented like this. So now I'm gonna, and I'm sure you heard that click. Now let's move to bottom tension. Now I'm gonna switch to my, I believe this 22 or 23 thousandths southward pick, and pin 1. Gonna get that set. Okay, I think I got him. And then moving on, second pin. Okay, got him set. Now I believe I have just the third pin now. Let's see, no, we're not out of the woods yet. I think I just totally effed it up. Okay, we'll back to pin 1 now. There it is. Finally. Sigh of relief on that. Thank you again, Mr. Murdy, for the lock. I really appreciate it. It was a huge challenge for me. We got her picked. Now we have to gut it. I have not gutted this, so I have no idea what's inside of here. But it would be a mistake if we didn't gut it. So there, it just fell out of there. So there's the lock inside there. Here's the core, and its plate. This is the thing that the screw screws into, I guess. Cool. There it is. Oh good, we have a C-clip. I was worried. Okay, let's see if we can get this sucker off of here without taking too much time in the video. We're only 4.5 minutes, so it shouldn't be that bad. Except the sucker does not want to come off of there. Oh yeah, that sucker's on there tight. I can't even like grip it. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out a little bit. There, it just flew on the floor, but that's good enough. Let's keep moving. That's way too big. Yeah, this has got to be it. Okay. That's gonna kind of be weird. If I just sneak it in there fast. Oh, I lost and crushed a spring. That's okay. 3 spools have fallen out so far. Okay, so I'm gonna just put the core down real quick and sort out these pins, because I knew that gap was gonna screw us over. So let's see what we got. There's a spool, another spool, and the 3rd spool. Let's see what else we have. There's another spool. And then there's another spool. And I think there's one more. Standard. Wait. Yep, standard pin. Okay. So I did. Oh, and now I just totally dumped the key pins. Oh boy. Having lots of fun with this one. This is definitely a fail video, but it's too bad I have to use it. I'll deal with the springs later. Well, here are the key pins. Probably nothing. They're all standard. I just have to pin it up with the key. So let me look at the key really quick. And just, I'll try to get these in order. Nope, that wasn't it. Only this one. And then this one. Sorry, I know this is painstaking. Really deep cut. Ooh. Painful. Because that wasn't it. It was here. Okay, so there they all are. Pin 6, short pin there, really long pin. That's the 1 pin. I'll explain in a second once I get all these in the right spot. Okay. Zoom in on this so you can see it. Hopefully. There. So we got spool, and standard, and then all standard key pins on the bottom. This pin, this really long pin, is why I have to use top tension. In this pick, in the first half of the lock, because that pin will trap my pick once I go in and set this pin. Try to get it to focus here. I should probably zoom out, that'll help. So I'll get this first pin, and then I'll get trapped behind this. I won't be able to get out. So that's why I use top tension there, so I can squeeze my pick underneath, and then I switch to bottom and then pick the rest of them. So that's that. I figured it all out. Thanks for watching. Sorry the video's almost 11 minutes. But yeah, thanks for watching.